Hi, my name is Nalini Mahadevan. I'm an attorney here in Clayton, Missouri, and my law firm is MLO Law LLC. I'm supported by Jamie Stafos, Mark Moore, Usha Kesvan, and Hima Vale. They support, when you call the office, you'll speak to Jamie. Our phone number is 314-932-7111. Today we are going to talk about who should plan for long-term care. And typically everybody thinks it's somebody who's over the age of 65, but really in reality I'd like to tell you it's everyone who has to plan for long-term care. I recently met a gentleman named Kevin Poe, who's a long-term care advisor, insurance advisor, and he gave me some very nice breakup of the market of who should be looking for long-term care. So the way he says it is that there are 4 age groups that really should be looking at it. The first age group is a pre-retiree. That means anybody over the age of 45, between 45 and 65. The next age group we talk about are the people who are either retiring or have retired. The age group between 65 and 80. And this is a typical age group we are talking about when we think about who should have long-term care insurance. Of course, because as we are aging, we need that insurance. And then you have the older age group, which is 70 to 87. And then the next age group, which is actually anyone over 65 who's actually facing chronic illness or is receiving care at a facility. So of course, between the ages of 45 and 65, you're really not thinking about long-term care. But typically at this stage, long-term care is probably cheaper. These days, there is long-term care insurance that is available, available in a way in which you can either use it as insurance, or if you require long-term care at a facility, then it can be used for that, or even at home. So there are lots of products out there for which you may qualify. Now let's talk a little bit about the age group of 45 to 65. These are professionals or business owners who have extra income, and they can fund their traditional life-based long-term care insurance on an annual basis. The age groups between 65 and 85 are still relatively healthy, and they have assets including cash, CDs, large retirement accounts, and can then reposition these assets in a way in which they can fund their long-term care insurance. Now, between the ages of 70 and 87, you shouldn't despair. There are still ways of qualifying for a long-term care insurance. So if you have if you have set aside a nest egg for a rainy day, maybe we can use that to start funding your long-term insurance or buying into a long-term insurance plan. Either way, there are other ways also of taking care of yourself. If you're thinking of staying at home, it's called a reverse mortgage. In many cases, reverse mortgages are maybe a useful way to fund long-term care when there is nothing else available, and you have no other asset except your home that is in your name. If you want to know more about these and speak to other professionals that we can refer you to, please call us. Our number is 314-932-7111. For more resources for older Americans, please look at our website. It's www.mlolaw.us. If you pick up the phone and call us, Jamie answers the phone, and I assure you, is very friendly and can give you a lot of information. Thank you and take care.